Hey there, you're about to watch a quick clip from Marketing O'Clock, your friendly neighborhood digital marketing news podcast with new episodes every Friday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us here on YouTube or look for Marketing O'Clock wherever you listen to your podcasts. Another update from Google Ads. This was brought to our attention by Lawrence Chassis at L Chassis on Twitter. I think he put it in Discord though, community.marketingoclock.com. This says starting in March 2023, all content targeting will be simplified into a single content page in Google Ads, so you can manage your content targeting in a single view. And the subject line here is simplifying content targeting. It's like, okay, that's fine with me. I don't like skipping around the tabs either. It'd be nice to see it all on the same page, whatever. Next paragraph. Also, to help you reach more potential customers, your ads will now show on content that matches any of the topics, placements, or display and video keywords you target. For example, an ad targeting a topic and a placement will be eligible for impressions that match either. That is a pretty big change to go from or to and you're going to tuck it in the second paragraph and hide it from me? I would never have known.
Might as well put an invisibility cloak on that thing.
Ginny needs to tweet about this. That is a big freaking deal. People who have like layered content targeting with topics and placements, this could be a huge spike in impressions. Like that is, you need to make a bigger deal about that.
I completely agree. And this is something that Anthony Higman and PPC Greg brought up last week, where the last Google Ads announcement, and as of today, right before we recorded as well, was on November 17th. And it's like, there should be a place where all these announcements reside instead of a random email here, or thank God you follow Lawrence Chassis there, or a tweet from Ads Liaison or at Ginny Marvin here. It's like, there's no rhyme or reason for this. And at this point, it's like we talked about with the WTH last week, it's, they don't care.
And by the way, I didn't get any of the previous two emails. And I have campaigns in my accounts that have layered content targeting. And I wouldn't have known if it weren't for Lawrence and his good deeds. That is sickening. Thanks again for watching Marketing O'Clock. We'd love you forever. If you'd like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. And don't forget, you can also catch our Famous Friday news show on your favorite podcast player every week.